What was the question again? How does this image actually get onto the coffee, and what is it made of? I'll explain all of that to you now in this video. Spoiler, it's not a magic trick. These little cartridges make it possible in just a few seconds. This is our food-grade cartridge, similar to the ones in an inkjet printer. Thanks to the ultra-wide printhead, we can print high-resolution photos and logos onto surfaces within just a few seconds. This isn't cocoa powder or coffee powder, it's certified flavorless food coloring. All of that is contained in this cartridge. Our classic is the brown food coloring, which looks very natural on coffee and beer. Alternatively, we also offer black, blue, and red food coloring, which can be easily swapped out at any time. The cartridges are also very easy to replace. Just click it out, change the cartridge, and click it back in. That's it. With this small cartridge, you can print at least 800 to 1000 times and on almost any surface. The shelf life of these cartridges is at least 6 months, and refilling them is not intended for hygienic reasons. We rely on sterile and fresh cartridges. It's best to store them cool, dry, and protected from light. And if you don't plan to print for a longer period, just put it back in the freshness clip. That's it. It works with inkjet technology just like an office printer. So, just to clarify, tiny droplets of food coloring are precisely sprayed onto the surface. All of this is of course contactless and clean. Our food coloring is approved worldwide and has multiple certifications. Additionally, our food coloring is halal, vegan, kosher, and gluten-free. When your printer cartridge is completely empty, you can easily and conveniently reorder new supplies from our comprehensive online shop by sending us an email or personally by contacting us via phone.